And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 167. Let me show you the Emboss filter. We're going to apply it to this image. It's under Filter, Stylize, simply called Emboss. And we have 3 parameters to adjust it. The amount is the intensity. If you go too high, you're going to bring some colors back. And the height is, how you could say, the distance between what is being stamped. So the higher you go here, the more these edges will be repositioned from the original. And then we have an angle to decide in which direction it's going to be stamped. Let me zoom, for example, here on the trees. I zoom in a little bit. And you can see that if I adjust the angle. It also fills the colors to gray. And one simple use case would be, let me import that here, a simple icon. Add the Emboss, and you can see how easy you can turn logo designs into Emboss designs. And in the future I'm going to show you a couple of effects using this filter, but these are the basics of using the Emboss. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.